Bread is one of the oldest prepared foods known to humanity, with evidence of flatbreads dating back over 14,000 years. Imagine that. Ancient Egyptians were pioneers in the art of bread making, credited with developing the first leavened bread using wild yeast. The word companion actually comes from the Latin word panis, meaning bread, highlighting just how deeply woven bread is into our cultural fabric. Sourdough holds the title for the oldest form of leavened bread. During the California gold rush, it became a staple for miners who relied on its long shelf life. In medieval Europe, bread was so versatile that it was sometimes used as a plate, known as a trencher. Can you picture a hearty stew served on a thick slice of bread? Interestingly, white bread was once a symbol of wealth, but today whole grain is often seen as the healthier choice. Speaking of impressive feats, the Guinness World Record for the largest loaf of bread weighed over 1,500 kilograms. That's a lot of dough. In France, the traditional baguette is protected by law, ensuring that its quality remains high. Meanwhile, in Sweden, you might find bread flavored with syrup, adding a unique twist to the taste. Over in Ethiopia, injera serves a dual purpose as both a bread and a utensil, showcasing the creativity of different cultures. Bread comes in many forms: pita, naan, challah, focaccia, ciabatta, each reflecting the culinary traditions of its region. It's fascinating to note that bread has even been used as currency and in religious rituals throughout history. The smell of fresh bread is so inviting that studies show it can boost mood and generosity. The phrase, "the best thing since sliced bread," originated in 1928 when pre-sliced bread was introduced, revolutionizing how we consume this staple. Bread has played a significant role in history, with bread riots influencing events like the French Revolution. In ancient Rome, there were over 300 bakeries in Pompeii alone, a testament to the importance of bread in daily life. The process of bread making is both an art and a science, relying on the structure of gluten and the magic of fermentation. Many athletes include bread in their diets for quick energy, and gluten-free options have become widely available for those with sensitivities. National Bread Day is celebrated in various countries, emphasizing how bread remains a staple in over 90% of global diets. In some cultures, bread is considered sacred, with a strong belief in never wasting a single crumb. Did you know that bread crusts contain more antioxidants than the soft middle? And rye bread can stay fresh for weeks, making it a practical choice. Whether it's a simple loaf or a symbol of unity, bread transcends mere nourishment. It's a piece of history, a cultural artifact, and a source of comfort in every bite. Bread is not just food. It's a reflection of who we are and where we come from.